Remote control requires frequent battery replacement, and it can seriously mess with your movie nights or game sessions if you're not ready for it. So, always keep extra batteries on hand, like a little stash in your drawer or bag, so you're never caught off guard. When you swap batteries, make sure you pop in fresh ones from a reliable brand to avoid leaks or quick drain. If your remote starts acting weird, try cleaning the battery contacts with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. Dirt and corrosion can totally kill the power flow. Don't mix old and new batteries because that'll drain the new ones faster and might even damage the remote. Also, if you're not using the remote for a while, pull the batteries out to prevent corrosion and save their life. When buying batteries, check the expiration date to get the freshest pack possible. Rechargeable batteries are cool, but keep in mind they usually don't last as long as regular ones for remotes. Lastly, if your remote keeps dying super fast even after replacing the batteries, it might be time to check if something else is wrong inside or just get a new one. One of the biggest headaches with remote controls is running out of battery right when you need it most. Super annoying during a crucial scene or game. To fix this, just keep spares nearby and swap them before they die completely. Another common mistake is using cheap or off-brand batteries to save cash, but that often backfires with quick drainage or leaks. Stick to trusted brands for better reliability. Finally, people sometimes forget to clean their remote's battery compartment, which lets dirt and corrosion build up and kill performance. Grab some rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab every now and then to keep things clean and working smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to spot for finding trusted local contractors who can help with any home improvement or repair project. It also makes life easier for contractors by connecting them with homeowners who need their skills, so everyone wins.